Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your Sunday, October 6th weather briefing. Just want to look at the general outlook. Warm, dry, breezy for the first half of the week, then a cold front, trough passage, cooler, scattered showers for the latter part of the week. So looking at the weather threat matrix, you can see that indication of those dry conditions for much of the area all the way through Wednesday. There is a bit of an emphasis on a tightened gradient on Wednesday for more wind across the area. And then there is a bit of a concern for near critical fire weather conditions, especially the Bitterroot into southwest Montana on Wednesday afternoon. And then as we get into the latter part of the week, we lose some of the dryness as temperatures cool, but still perhaps an element of wind with that. So we're looking at max temperatures here. Once again, the warmest temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday for most of the area, and then cooling off to more seasonable levels thereafter. We're looking at min-RHs. Of course, that similar trend, the driest min-RHs through about Wednesday, stretching into Thursday for southwest Montana, and then rebounding somewhat thereafter. Also keep in mind strong thermal belts through Wednesday morning for much of the area, and extending all the way into Thursday morning for southwest Montana with those thermal belts. Wind gusts, generally daily gusts 15 to 30, mostly focused in the afternoon. Wednesday, definitely a day of emphasis for perhaps some stronger winds. And then depending on how strong the cold front is, at this point it doesn't look nearly as strong as the one this past Friday, but there's still some differing ideas on how strong that front could be, and then of course how strong the winds could be the very end of the week. Probability of precipitation starts to show up later Thursday, mostly on Friday for those scattered showers, and then diminishing on into Saturday. As far as precipitation amount ranges, fairly light, and we'll talk about that just a bit more here. So the stronger winds on Wednesday afternoon and evening, here's the probability of gusts over 35 miles per hour. So you can see on some of the terrain, we're talking 50, 60, 70% probability on the terrain, but as far as the valleys go, generally 15% or less for a lot of the valleys, except southwest Montana, where you can see anywhere from 25 to 35% chance for those gusts over 35 miles per hour on Wednesday afternoon. The chance of at least 1/10 of an inch of moisture over a 48-hour period, being Friday AM through Sunday AM, you can see anywhere from like 25 to 40% probability for a lot of the valleys. If you get up on the terrain, it's anywhere from like 50 to 70% chance of that. Basically, not the full definition of a wetting rain since it's over a longer period of time, but 1/10 of an inch over 48 hours. Looking a bit further ahead, you can see a continued trend on the 8 to 14 day outlook of below normal precipitation, above normal temperatures, but there is some indications of perhaps a pattern change as early as October 18th through 21st. And you can see that reflected in this outlook, the 3 to 4 week outlook. So basically the second half of October, of more equal chances for normal precipitation and near normal temperatures. So definitely a change from what we've been seeing. So let's kind of keep that in the back pocket as a potential change there, just after the middle part of the month. Thanks for listening. Our next recording is scheduled for Thursday the 10th. Have a good day.